doing a 240 LX link belt log loader, probably early 2000s. We finished up the job for the spring, so we're trying to get things moved back to the shop. I'm just out here by myself having fun. The roads are a little bit muddy, it's kind of soft. We've had some rain. Trying to get the boom in position. There are a couple of 1.5-inch pieces of strap out there that hook the 2 cylinders to the boom. You need to get that in between on the boom rest so it's not resting on the cylinder. I have to come back and get that 240 Komatsu later and bring a 225 link belt spin ace excavator back when I come to get the Komatsu. Basically what we're trying to do with the split screen is just showing you how much of the road a Lowboy takes up out here in the woods. Most of these corners, it takes up the whole road. People have a habit of trying to stop on a corner because they're usually the widest. That's where we need the most room with the Lowboy, so that's not a very good option. See here, the front end was almost in the ditch. We had about a foot left on the trailer. You can see there's a little bit of snow on the road. We just got it. I didn't put any chains on. I didn't have any trouble going in without them. That being quite a bit heavier, this machine probably weighs about 70,000 pounds. And coming back out, I didn't have any trouble till I had to go down through where McCully Creek comes across. And up the other side, I have to make a sharp corner and going slow. I couldn't quite make it and I got stuck in the middle. So I had to get out and throw some chains on. The only thing I could do was hook the inside rail and the outside rail. I couldn't hook the center rail, just enough to get up the hill. The trailer got over towards, there's a ditch there, and the trailer got in close, so I didn't tear the chains up with only 2 rails hooked instead of 3.